Oke guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel Aditya Dewandaru. Now I can see you program IoT Arduino uh, to uh, apa to monitoring suhu and temperature and humidity. And now this is VS Code. You can open your VS Code, and in this WPHP I create a use app liveware because I make for see Arduino a real time. This use app liveware sensor component, and this root, and this use liveware slash liveware. And in this root you can get Enviro sensor component and class. And in this root this for humidity value in sensor component for update, and this for set update root function and return to root post environ scan public liveware update handle. And in this liveware, this for set script root for get JS enviroscan public liveware.js. Okay, and now I make this a doc type, and this for app blade, this for content in website. This head title is enviroscan. Okay, and this body this connect to this connect to variable slot. Okay, and in this sensor component .blade.php this div sensor component. Okay, and this for content for sensor component in website. You can see this for temperature. You can see a class core whirlpool dot 100 ms variable temperature. Okay, and this span for unit, this Celsius, and this for humidity, this span class core whirlpool dot 100 ms. This for humidity scan, and this unit is percent. Okay, this for sensor component. And now this apps for CSS for beauty the for beauty web, for beauty web. This body is white, and this for app display is flag, and align item is center, justify content center, gap is 10 pixel, padding 20 pixel, and font size is 3 rem, and color for this color for display for display for display temperature. Okay, and margin top is 5 rem. This font size 2 rem. Color is purple. This for container display flag, line item center, justify content center, white 1000%, gap is 40%, and this a card white is 4000 pixel, background color is white, and border radius is 20 pixel, box shadow is 0 pixel, 10 pixel. This for shadow, and overflow is hidden. Okay, this for title title content. This text align is center, padding is 20 pixel, and font size is 24 pixel. Font weight is bold, and color is white, background color is blue. Card content text align center, padding is 20 pixel, and gap is 20 pixel again. This a score text align is a center, padding 20 pixel, and font size is 7 rem, and font weight is bold, color is a blue. Okay, this CSS for unit font weight is 80,000, and font size is 2 rem, and color is a blue. Okay, and now we can go to sensor component.php. This a namespace this made with liveware. Okay, and this class for sensor component extend component. This public and this variable for temperature, and this public and variable to humidity, and this public function to render this sensor. Okay, this a variable to make a sensor read temperature. Okay, and this is return to see content in liveware, and this public function update this sensor where ID update this temperature request is for temperature value, is for humidity request for humidity value. Okay, and now we can we go to sensor.php. Okay, in this namespace is app model and used for illuminate that this for database, Eloquent for factories, hash factory, and this use Illuminate database Eloquent for model, and class sensor extend is model. This for use hash factory protected value is variable temperature and humidity. And now this migration for database in exam.pp. Okay, this Illuminate database migration. Illuminate database migration, a database schema blueprint, and this Illuminate support fastdash for scheme. This a return new class extend migration. This return to migration. Okay, is a public function app schema create sensor function blueprint and table. This a table ID. This a tab value table is decimal because it's for temperature. And this a table integer because this for humidity, and this a table for timestamp. Okay, is a public function down. This schema drop if x size for sensors. Okay, and now this apps name is Arduino IDE 2.2.1. You can download this in your Google. Okay, this for connect your DHT and your laptop. Okay, board. This include DHT. Okay, this include for ESP, and this for include ESP for client. This define DHT pin is 5, and define this DHT type DHT 11, and this ID yeah, this name for Wi-Fi to connect Arduino, because Arduino board need Wi-Fi to connect this board Arduino. Okay, this password Wi-Fi, you can connect your password and you can connect again server. And this DHT unit, for DHT unit. Okay, this DHT pin and DHT type. Flight setup is serial begin 90,006 9600, and this DHT.begin and this pin mode, this for pin LED output. This for Wi-Fi connect. Okay, this hot name is not MCU. This Wi-Fi begin for SSID and password. This while for Wi-Fi status, this are connected, and this digital write pin LED is low, delay is 500, and this for digital write pin LED high. If connected LED is high. If delay 500, LED is low. and this void loop this a float temp dht.read temperature and is a integer hum for humidity dht.read humidity variable, and this a serial print for suhu. Okay, this a serial print in a kelembapan, and this a Wi-Fi client. This a cons in integer HTTP port, and this serial print gagal connect if disconnect. You can see gagal connect, but if connected you can see percent of humidity for percent of temperature, and kalau
degree Fahrenheit terserah bagaimana.
temperature is Celsius and humidity is percent. Okay, habis itu dari sini lanjut ke langsung ini. Oh enggak.
Dari sini mana?
Dari yang Arduino kita nampilin yang
buka aja Microsoft Edge kalau udah aku close ntar.
Hah?
Microsoft Edge.
Oh di sini.
Yuk.
Oh ini ya. Oh ini bukan, ini nggak ada. Mana ininya? Ini ya Infroscan ya. Okay, this you can see this database for Infroscan. Okay, you can see in this user. Browse. Okay, this ID, name, email, password. Okay, this for sensor. This data save humidity and temperature, and this Infroscan to show temperature and humidity. Temperature is 31 Celsius and humidity is 70%. Okay, this work this. Okay, this connect. You can see if this you can this Arduino. Okay, this Arduino and this lamp and this sensor for humidity and temperature. Okay, let's if sorry, cable is not work. Okay, it is work again. You can see okay, this a temperature and humidity, and this a sensor. This humidity. Okay, I can test. Oh, you can see humidity is high because I'm flow in the sensor. Okay, and this LED is on. Okay. Okay guys, maybe just from me, thank you for attention to watching this video, and I'm sorry for everything mistake what I make, and goodbye.